everyone, today we're going to analyze a stock called Bionano Genomics. As you can see from this chart, there is a trend line around this area on the highs here, and we can see that the stock Bionano Genomics managed to do a breakout and managed to move up, and currently it is retracing. So we want to analyze this retracement, how far it is going to retrace, and is it going to continue to move down, or is there a chance to move up? So that's what our topic of discussion today. So if you are interested in knowing the direction of this particular stock Bionano Genomics, stay on until the end of this video. And before that, this is Shah&Co. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and we will begin very soon. Okay, so now let's begin our analysis. We will look at this chart in a higher time frame to see what is going on, because in a short time frame like a day chart, it is actually kind of creating a positive news to us, because it managed to do a breakout. So let me draw the line again. So we had a trend line around this area. So, and it managed to do a breakout, and here it is doing retracement, which is not really a bad thing, because what we even notice here is actually a flag kind of pattern. So this is a flag kind of pattern, and this flag kind of pattern is actually a good thing for if it is trying to make an uptrend move. A flag, if managed to break out from this flag pattern, so that means if the price here managed to somehow go up and shoot over this flag, the top line of the flag, then it is actually kind of bullish pattern. But that is not happening yet. So every time it touches the top, it quickly go down. Every time it touches the top, it quickly go down here, as we can see on the flag pattern here. So but to analyze this particular stock, we will really need to look at the bigger picture. So we're gonna move this time frame to a monthly time frame. So we want to see what is the biggest story about this stock Bionano Genomics. Okay, so I'm gonna clear up my screen. Okay, so now now let us enlarge a bit. So now you can see clearly there are some powerful selling currently ongoing. Okay, so if you look at the top, the high point here on this area all the way to the low point here, we notice there are several huge selling pressure, I would say. So there is this long candle here is actually a very huge selling, and then the second candle here, it actually further bring it down. So these two are very strong selling here we have, and thereafter we have some smaller scale kind of selling pressures. Okay, but somehow at this price level, $5.30 somewhere around there, this is some buyers interest coming in and managed to move up. But unfortunately, in this price move to the up, it's not that strong, because what we can see here, let me highlight for you. So what we can see here, this particular candle is actually a very dangerous candle. This is a shooting star candlestick pattern, which is a bearish kind of shooting star candlestick, because you see the tail is actually very long, but the body is very short. Right, so that is not really a good sign, and furthermore, there is a huge selling power, or rather, the huge selling pressure coming in here. And I want to, or rather, explain to you one teaching, or rather, one analysis approach that we can use here. That is by using Fibonacci. We're gonna do a comparative study of head of gangster. So what we mean by head of gangster here is actually it refers to this long body. bearish kind of long body. So there are two here in this downtrend. There are two long bearish kind of. This is the first one and the second one here. So these two are two long bearish kind of candle. So between these two, if you take a ruler and try to measure them, they are almost the same height. What I can see on the through a naked eye, it's I'm measuring it's around $3. So there's a pull down to $3, and then in the second round of the body here, the pull down is also about $3. So they are almost the same size. No, the pull down is almost the same size. And so when we take this Fibonacci level, try to put we want to do a region. We want to do a bit of region study. So what we will do is from the high to the low. So currently I'm trying to fix the low here, and I'll try to change this. Instead of using Fibonacci levels, I'm going to change this to 3 levels: the top level, the middle level, and the bottom level. Okay, so now you can see there are 3 levels. So there are 3 levels here. The top level is the gray color, so this is the top level, and the middle level is the green, and the lighter green is the lower levels. Okay, now you can see that the two huge candles that we saw, the two candles, is somewhere lying in the middle section. Okay, in the middle section. Okay, so why I'm doing this, finding this, is we want to see at which level the selling power is. So currently we can notice that the selling power is actually at the middle section, right? So we're going to compare this with the upcoming down move. So there's already a down move pattern forming here. So I'm pointing out my mouse here. It's around this area. We can see already a down move pattern. So if we were to take that same Fibonacci pattern, and I know that now it's a bit premature for me to draw here, because we don't know yet this particular down move is going to go until which price level, right? But anyway, just comparatively, you see this particular long body is formed at the very beginning part of the down move, whereas when you see the overall, right, when you see this overall picture, the long body of the bearish body is only at the middle section. Okay, of course you may argue that the price may stop here and may go up. I mean, this possibility is there, but whatever possibility it is, when there's a huge sell down at the beginning of the down move, that is actually not a good indication. So in terms of level, it moved, the bearish sign moved from the middle layer all the way to the first layer. So first layer means that it happens at the very beginning of the down move. So when there is a very kind of what should I say? I should say panic kind of thing at the when the price starts to move down. There's a panic kind of quick sell down. That's not really a good thing. So that means this particular stock, Bionano Genomics, it's actually having a bearish kind of pattern. Okay, it's having a bearish kind of pattern, and in fact, this theory is kind of we can even see when the price moving upward, right? We see a strong price move up. When there's a strong price move up, okay, it's very easy for sellers to come in and sell, because nobody wants to get a high profit, right? They all want to have high profit. So when the price has climbed so much, definitely sellers will come in and try to sell and to gain the profit from you. Those who bought at a high price, you are the losers, right? Similarly, at this junction, right, when the price moved up, quickly sellers are coming in. And they are coming in not slowly. They are coming in a very huge one, a very huge kind of aspiration. So that's why you see that the price has moved down in a very strong manner, right? So the sellers are there. I mean, a strong selling power is there, right? So therefore, I would say that this particular stock is actually giving a signal of bearishness kind of signal. And I can further confirm that by taking Fibonacci retracement. So this time I'm going to do Fibonacci level study. Okay, so now we will take from the top here all the way to the down here, right? But this time I will change it back to the Fibonacci levels. Okay, so let me change it back to Fibonacci levels. Okay, so these are all the Fibonacci levels. We can see the numbers here. You can see that when the sellers were selling in and the buyers come in, the buyers were not so strong. They did not even manage to push it up beyond 50%. They just merely able to push it up to all the way to about 40%. You can see the price. Maybe I should remove off that yellow sign there. I already removed. You can see that the top price is only here, no? At this mouse point I'm giving. That's roughly around 40% from the down here. Okay, so even the sellers are not that strong. Sorry, the buyers are not strong, because if the buyers are strong, they will push it up beyond furthermore. But that is not materialized here. So the buyers, they managed to push it up, but they are so weak. So what we can see here, sellers are strong because we saw that candles, the two candles formed here, and it appears at very beginning of the down move here. So the sellers are strong and the buyers weak. Why I say the buyers weak? Because they did not manage to pull up when the price was moving around here. When the price was moving up, they were not able to push up beyond 50%. They only stop at 40%. Usually when theory says that when you are able to push, the buyers manage to push beyond 50%, that means the buyers are strong. The buyers are strong, and therefore we can anticipate some sort of bullishness. But that is not here. Okay, so this analysis actually telling us that this particular stock is going to go further down. So what target we can put for the down move? Okay, we can we can do a target analysis now. So let us do a bit of target analysis. Okay, so we will take the price high here all the way to the low here, and then move it up here. Okay, now you see the price moved down very quickly. The buyers, the sellers. Now in this analysis, we are looking at the time domain. So you see the sellers, when they push down the price, they took longer time compared to the buyers. Buyers managed to pull it up quickly comparatively to the sellers. Took many days to pull it down, but the buyers only took few days to pull it up. But of course they were not strong. So according to this theory, right, the theory says that when you use this kind of trend-based Fibonacci, right, if the buyers were not able to, if the buyers managed to pull up quickly, right, so then the pull down is not going to be very strong, and we got to stop the Fibonacci level we should use is at 0.618. So we are basically predicting that the price may go all the way to here at $2. So price may fall all the way to $2. So that's a possibility. So according to current price down move, we are targeting that the price may hit that $2. Okay, yeah, this is around not really $2. It is sorry, it's not $2. It's $2.13 over here. $2.13. Okay, around $2.15. We can just round it up. Okay, so it will fall all the way to 215. Okay, so that's what the targeting is there, but it's not necessarily the target. May be true, but according to the sentiments that we have seen so far, the sellers are actually quite strong. Number one, that's the number one conclusion. The buyers are very weak. So roughly, based on these two sentiments, I think it is very probable that we might reach that target 2.13. That's very highly probable. But anyway, what do you think about this analysis? Do you agree with me or kind of disagree? So leave a comment, and please like, share and subscribe the channel if you have gained some information from my explanation. We'll see you soon in the next video.